And the crucial point that I want to demonstrate in all of this is the tool use aspect of these language models and in how they are evolving. It's not just about sort of working in your head and sampling words. It is now about using tools and existing computing infrastructure and tying everything together and intertwining it with words, if that makes sense. And so tool use is a major aspect in how these models are becoming a lot more capable, and they can fundamentally just like write a ton of code, do all the analysis, look up stuff from the internet and things like that. So yeah, hopefully this demo kind of illustrates in concrete terms that there's a ton of tool use involved in problem solving, and this is very relevant and related to how a human might solve lots of problems. We use tons of tools, we find computers very useful, and the exact same is true for large language models, and this is increasingly a direction that is utilized by these models. Okay, so I've shown you here that ChatGPT can generate images. Now, multimodality is actually like a major axis along which large language models are getting better. So not only can we generate images, but we can also see images. So in this famous demo from Greg Brockman, one of the founders of OpenAI, he showed ChatGPT a picture of a little MyJoke website diagram that he just sketched out with a pencil. And ChatGPT can see this image, and based on it, it can write a functioning code for this website. So it wrote the HTML and the JavaScript. You can go to this MyJoke website and you can see a little joke, and you can click to reveal a punchline, and this just works. So it's quite remarkable that this works. And fundamentally, you can basically start plugging images into the language models alongside with text. And ChatGPT is able to access that information and utilize it. And a lot more language models are also going to gain these capabilities over time. Now, I mentioned that the major axis here is multimodality. So it's not just about images, seeing them and generating them, but also, for example, about audio. So ChatGPT can now both kind of like hear and speak,